Hi, having tested a huge number of top home warranty services, I have selected the best one for myself. It is one of the most popular and well-known services available on the market. In this short video, I will reveal to you a few secrets that will be useful to you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like it. Now, let's get started.
Select Home Warranty offers some unusual coverage options such as roof leak coverage along with standard coverage. In addition, homeowners can get a break on payments by paying for policies annually and can take advantage of a generous 90-day repair warranty. Select Home Warranty has competitive offers such as roof leak coverage and 2 months of free service with an annual payment. Better Business Bureau ratings are lower than other warranty companies and suggest that it takes longer to complete requirements than advertised. Select Home Warranty offers 3 different levels, all with 30-day waiting periods, a list of covered items, and the ability to add additional items. The price you pay does not include a merchant fee. Think of TSF as a franchise that you have to pay upfront to have an independent contractor come to your home to evaluate and fix the problem. Realtors can purchase home warranty plans for Select Home Warranty. However, there is no tangible information about specific plans or prices. For more information or a quote, real estate professionals can fill out an online request form or call customer service by phone to speak with a representative. Select Home Warranty allows you to request a quote online so you can preview the quote before signing up. The company offers a decent list of items it covers with a bonus introductory offer: free roof leak coverage, 2 extra months free, and $100 off your plan if you pay for the annual plan upfront. The cost of the plans depends on the number of items you want coverage for in your home and your home state. For example, Gold Care and Bronze Care plans cost $36 a month, but they only cover up to 6 and 8 items respectively. Compare that to the Premium Care plan, which covers 17 points but costs $75 a month. Add-ons are available to customize policies to suit your home's needs. These items include your home's central vacuum, pool, sump pump, well pump, self-contained freezer, lawn sprinkler system, septic system, and roof leaks. For all plans, customers will pay a trade-in fee of $60 to $75, depending on the location. That's on par with the competition. Systems and appliances that fail due to natural wear and tear are usually covered under your Select Home Warranty policy. However, the company has a list of exclusions that you'll want to review before you sign up. Keep in mind that an item may be covered, but there are exceptions as to what parts or components are included in your policy. For example, window, wall, and portable air conditioners are excluded from coverage, as are freon leaks or any damage caused by them. In addition, roof leak coverage does not include metal roofs, shingles, patios, gutters, or skylights. See the Select Home Warranty Terms and Conditions page for a more comprehensive list of what's included and what's not. There is no limit to the number of repairs serviced during the term of the contract. However, there are dollars limit, which are slightly lower than the industry average. Examples of limits include $2,000 for heating or cooling equipment, $500 for plumbing and electrical, $250 for freon coating, and $400 for other additional coverage options. In addition, homeowners must submit annual maintenance and cleaning reports on covered items to licensed technicians or they risk losing coverage. If you don't have proof of maintenance for the past 3 years, then Select Home Warranty will offer a maximum payout of $150 per appliance. Select Home Warranty has its own network of authorized independent contractors in all service areas. You will not be able to choose your own repairer, although there may be exceptions with the company's prior approval. Without consent, repairs made by out-of-network repairers are non-refundable. Once you file a claim, most major repairs will be approved within 24 to 96 hours. As for emergency service, Select Home Warranty will work with you to dispatch a contractor as quickly as possible, similar to what other companies offer. Customers can receive 24/7 support and can file a claim through an online form, by email or by calling customer service by phone. Once a claim is filed, Select Home Warranty will begin the process immediately. It can take anywhere from 24 to 96 hours to receive an overhaul permit, which is the industry standard. The home warranty company is not accredited by the Better Business Bureau, but it is rated B. Select Home Warranty has 1 out of 5-star rating based on 3,411 complaints and 803 reviews. Some complaints reported a lack of response from independent contractors servicing warranty claims. The company recommends that customers resolve problems by calling or emailing them first. We chose American Home Shield to compare with Select Home Warranty. Both competitors offer 24/7 coverage, similar pricing, and a network of contractors. American Home Shield offers more competitive pricing overall but gets more expensive depending on coverage levels, with higher tiered plans that have lower merchant fees. The lowest TSF for American Home Shield is $75, with options up to $125 to lower monthly costs. Select Home Warranty has a TSF range of $60 to $75, depending on the location, not the monthly cost of the plan. What the American Home Shield has the average of is the flexibility in coverage options. Homeowners can do more than just choose the TSFs they are comfortable with. They can also customize coverage with their build-your-own plan. American Home Shield also offers coverage in more states than the Select Home Warranty. Given these considerations, American Home Warranty is a winner because of its ability to customize plans to meet customers' needs.